January to March, we expect dry spell, which will from October, November, rains in the ASAL counties. We have a resource gap of $6 billion Kenya shillings to address the issue of drought. And the first is the issue of health and nutrition, education, peace and security.
Every Kenyan can make a difference to another Kenyan. There's 4.3 million people who are affected. The other 45 million can make a big difference to the lives of those who are affected. So every shilling matter, every meal that gets onto the table matters. So the mobilization committee will really focus on ensuring